mining business is not for the faint-hearted. It takes a special kind of person with determination, strength and courage to take on the mighty mines. And it takes a special kind of vehicle to help them succeed. Presenting the all-new Captain 2523 from Ashok Leyland. The perfect machine to move the massive outputs of mines. Designed to meet the high productivity demands of the mining industry with faster trip times and higher uptime. This mega truck can take on the most punishing terrain with ease. Built to handle the toughest terrain. Your Captain 2523 is powered by a high torque and fuel-efficient H-Series Common Rail fuel injection system engine. Coupled with a 9-speed gearbox. All of this supported by a heavy-duty bogie suspension to give you the best performance. To give your Captain 2523 an enhanced performance output, the rear axle is fitted with hub reduction technology that offers superior gradability. The Captain 2523 is built on a sturdy and reliable 11-inch frame. The Captain 2523 is truly a master of inclines. With international styling, tastefully designed air-conditioned cabin, the Captain 2523 goes all out to keep driver fatigue levels at an all-time low. Fitted with a fan for the driver as well as the co-driver to keep the atmosphere pleasant. The suspended seat with a 6-way movement gives the driver a comfortable ride, adjustable as per his weight and height. The telescopic tiltable steering adjustments to complement his seat position and the vibration-less cabin simply make it a joyride for the driver. The dashboard is fitted with thoughtfully designed features such as distance to empty gauge, mileage meter, and the revolutionary gear shift advisory system, all which help the driver perform better. The ergonomically designed console ensures that all the controls are easily accessible and brings a smile to the driver's work environment. And of course, the music system adds to the joy of the drive amidst the hard work. When it comes to stability, solid is the word for your Captain 2523. The state-of-the-art anti-roll bar gives more stability while turning and even during overload situations. With the V-rod suspension and the bogie suspension, you are assured of movement that is unshakable. The wear and tear in any mining operation is very high, but easy serviceability makes maintenance painless. The tiltable cabin and the fully openable front grille provide easy access to the engine that makes serviceability a breeze. Thoughtfully placed lights under the cabin allow for better visibility. And to top it all, the Captain 2523 has a state-of-the-art onboard diagnostics, which can clearly indicate any impending problems. Your Captain 2523 is built to stand the test of time. Crafted for a life of 10 lakh kilometers, the cabin is not just comfortable, but also durable. Providing higher impact strength than a metallic tank, the polymer fuel tank is rust-free, reduces overall weight, and improves durability. While the Captain 2523 has a higher gradability in all conditions. The rear axle, fitted with hub reduction technology, adds extra power to the wheels. The rugged 9-speed gearbox with cable shift mechanism leads to lesser fatigue and easy serviceability. Higher ground clearance and the mine lug tires for better traction with load make the Captain 2523 an undisputed choice for mining operations. The Captain 2523 comes with a promise of superior service such as extended warranty package, Vishwas Total Maintenance Solutions, Lay Parts, Leyland Direct, Tatkal, Comprehensive Insurance, and 0% depreciation. Your demands push us to achieve more. Captain is the master of the mines. Captain. Tough, dependable, unstoppable.